Do you guys see that? What the?
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this cotton candy look right here, but I also have a surprise for anyone who's watching. I have a giveaway going on and it's on my Instagram account, and I'll put the stuff down below, all the qualifications that you need to do, and I will draw that on May 9th, which is my birthday, and that is why I'm doing this giveaway, so that you guys can share an amazing day with me.
Alright, so I already did one of my eyes, and here is what it looks like. I think it is absolutely beautiful and has really nice teal in the inner corner. And now I'm going to recreate the same thing on the other eye, and the first step is to do my eyebrows, or I should say my one eyebrow. So I'm going to be using my Ardell pomade in the color dark brown. And now here's the eyebrow all filled in, and now what I'm going to do is take a brush like this, and I just like to fluff out that inner part of the eyebrow. So once it's all blended out really nicely, I like to take my Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation, and with this foundation I like to take my Vasanti eyeshadow 2 brush and get some of this foundation. And it's really good at cut creases or carving out my eyebrows, so I'm going to carve out my eyebrows now. So I like to start out with just basically painting it on, and then I like to go back in and precisely just carve them out. And then I can go ahead and fill in the rest of that eyelid. And then I just like to make sure that it's very straight, and then when it is, I like to go up the front. So now I'm going to take my really dirty beauty blender and go ahead and just pat this in. So here is the eyebrows so far, and then the last step that I like to do for my eyebrows is just take a black eyeshadow and fill it in the very outer part of the eyebrow. And here are my 2 eyebrows side by side. So this is this one, and here is this one. Alright, so now I'm using a piece of tape because I like to have a very sharp line when I take it off, as you can see on this one. So I'm going to be using 2 palettes today. The first one is my Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette. It opens up in a trio way and it is huge. Looks like this. The colors are somewhat pigmented, but you really have to pack them on if you want that color payoff. And the second palette I'm going to be using is my Violet Voss The Rainbow palette. This is a palette with obviously rainbow colors in it, but they're all shimmer, and I really like to use this for creating looks that I want to have shimmer on the lid. So I'm first going to take this shade right here and put it in the crease and blend it out, and then I'm going to take this burgundy shade and put it in the crease as well and blend it out, but leave it a little bit below just so I could have that pink in just the crease. So I'm first taking that brown shade and just putting it in the crease. And I'm using a big fluffy brush, and this is just for the point of getting it high up on that brow bone. Then you also want to make sure that you get it in the inner corner. So this is as pigmented as the shade will get. So now I'm taking that burgundy shade right here and putting it in the crease and blending it out. As you can see, I'm not going up near the brow bone just because I don't want this pink up high. So now I'm just taking a little bit more of that Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation, and I'm just going to do a cut crease. Alright people, so here is the cut crease. I think it looks really nice so far. So now we're going to take my Voss The Rainbow palette and take the shade called Flamingo. It is this pink shade right here, and we're going to put this all over the middle of the lid. And then we're going to go ahead and take this teal shade right here called Fiji, and then we're going to put this in the inner corner, obviously. So I'm first taking the Flamingo shade and just putting it all in the middle of the lid. And then I'm taking the shade called Fiji and putting it in the inner corner. And then we are just going to blend those two shades together until they look like they are a transition. All right, so here's what it looks like now. So now we're gonna take that burgundy shade one last time and finish up the outer V. So here is what the eye looks like, all complete. I think it looks really pretty, and now we are going to take the tape off. So here's what we are left with. As you can see, it is the straightest line you'll ever see. And as you can see, this line is more straight than my sexuality. So now the last step for this eye look is to take my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, and it's a little bit up, so I'm sorry about the close-up you're about to see, but here's what it looks like, if it will focus on it. And actually looking at it now, I think I messed it up more by putting it inside of here. I can't do it. It's gonna mess up the whole thing. So instead of the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Sephora brand eyeliner in the color black. And it works just as well, except it doesn't, you know, do that thing. This is very stressful. So now I'm going to use my Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express Mascara and use this on my eyelashes, and I'm not going to be using fake eyelashes today because I ran out. So I'm just going to do this without a mirror because I don't need a mirror. Do I? No. And I've also decided I'm not going to be doing foundation today, but I'm still going to do all the face makeup that I usually do besides the liquid foundation. So I'm still going to be using foundation today, but it's going to be a pressed foundation. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the color 115. It is the fair color, and I'm taking a fluffy brush like this. It's dirty. And just going to put this foundation on my face. Do you guys see that? What the f— that looks so cool. What the hell? Looks like a light show. There's a circle. Did you see that? I'm just going to continue to put this on and ignore what I'm seeing on my phone. So once that powder foundation is on, I'm probably looking a little bit white, so I need to fix that. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Omega Glow contouring palette and take the contouring shade, obviously this one. So I'm going to take this big fan brush and contour my face. Now I'm going to take my NARS blush in the color Desire, and it looks like this. And with this blush, I'm going to take my MAC one. I can't read because I've been looking at my flash. It is the color brush 183, I believe. When I get my vision back, I'll put it in the link down below, all of the products I used, and you will see what brush it is. So I'm going to put this blush on my face. And I like to focus it right here on the apples of the cheeks. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter for highlighter today, and I'm going to take a small fan brush like this and put this highlighter on my cheekbones and the nose as well, always the nose. And then I'm also going to put the highlighter on my nose just because I like to have a shiny nose. And yeah, that's why. And now I'm going to take a brush like this and take the same highlighter and put this in the inner corner. Alright, so now our inner corners are on fire right now, and we're going to do the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to take that shade one more time, that burgundy shade, and put it on the lower lashes. Alright, and I'm not feeling cotton candy enough, so I'm going to take that teal shade one last time, and I'm going to put this shade in the inner corner on the bottom. So I want a little bit more glitter, so what I'm going to do is take my Urban Decay glitter eyeliner in the color Midnight Cowboy. It's basically just golden glitter, and I'm going to, I guess, line the edge of the eyeshadow. Alright, so for the lips, I'm going to be using my Maya Cosmetics lipstick in the color Naughty. And this is a matte lipstick, but we are going to put a gloss right on top. So here are the lips right after I put on that lipstick, and it is drying matte, which is not what I want. I want a glossy lipstick, so we're gonna put some gloss on. So I'm going to use my Tarte H2O lip gloss, and it's a little bit pink tinted because I've used it so many times, but we're still gonna use it. And now here are the lips all done, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks really pretty, and now this is going to be the end of the video. Alright, so I'm going to put on this headband just because I think it matches really well with the lip color as well as the eyeshadow. Really? So if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, or you can press that link in the right hand corner of the video, and I'll see you lovers in the next one. Bye! Transition. And good luck on the giveaway.